Hi, this is Elaine from Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this card with the Pretty Perennials bundle. So this fun card opens up to reveal a stamped full image and then a message inside. So it's a fun fold window card. So this is a really simple, fun card. And you start off with 2 5.5 by 8.5 sheets of cardstock, and then I use the third largest layering circle to cut out the circle, and then I'm just going to attach these two cards together. So really simple. And then you have 2 5.25 by 4 pieces of cardstock that you are going to stamp on. But first I'm going to stamp on the front to just kind of decorate the front. So I've got a scrap piece of paper here, and I'm going to use Granny Apple Green first. And I'm going to use this fun little flower here to just stamp a bunch of these around to create kind of this pattern background paper. I'm going to fold this so I can do one over here. And now I'm going to stamp the inside. So I'm going to go ahead and place this, it's going to go here, so I'm going to place this right here and fold this over. And I'm going to use Gorgeous Grape. And my large flower. I'm going to stamp this right in the middle. And just use this opening as my guide. And then I can open this up and I can stamp the rest of my images. I just need to be careful so that I don't stamp anything else inside that circle. So if you wanted to, you could take a pencil and you could draw a circle around that area so that you don't stamp anything inside there. I'm just going to be careful not to stamp anything else inside of there. So I'm going to do some Coastal Cabana flowers like I did in this one here. So I'm going to stamp one all the way up here so it's out of the way, all the way down here, and one over here. And then some more leaves. So go over here, whoops. Yeah, maybe we should close this up so that I don't accidentally use that. Okay, and then we've got some little flowers with the Daffodil Delight. So we can put one in this corner, and then we'll put one up here, and one over here. Do I dare? Maybe one down here. And then we have these little itty bitty leaves. So we can put them on the flower. Just make sure you stay away from where that circle is. So I'm just gonna do one leaf over here. And we'll double check and make sure that I stayed away. Yep. So that we can add that to the card now. So that's going to go on this flap right here, the outside flap. and then open that up, and then the inside flap right here is where you're going to put your message. So we're going to do Coastal Cabana for happy. Do that right in the middle. And then we're going to do Gorgeous Grape for birthday. And then we can add that in the middle of our card. And there we have our fun fold window card. I'm offering a class on the Pretty Perennials stamp set bundle, and it consists of this window card and two of these diamond fold cards and 2 of these box in a cards. And so you get it for free when you purchase the Pretty Perennials stamp set and dies as a bundle. You get 10% off. Or you place a $30 order by going to my website, elainescreations.net, and placing a $30 order using my March hostess code. And then you email me and let me know that you would like the Pretty Perennials card kit for free, and I will mail it out to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out all my other Pretty Perennial video tutorials. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you next time. Bye.